I am not a fan of this at all. Push the doors frozen. Oh, howdy, gents.
How you going? I told you we got another one.
Who else would it be?
These two young people would love to speak to you.
Oh, okay.
And the deputy's on another one. Going to the hospital. The guardrail up here. Yeah, eastbound.
Nice.
So, they're not going to go to the hospital. We're taking the big chief, but...
Okay.
Oh, yours.
Howdy.
Hey, guys.
Howdy.
What's going on?
We're still alive.
All right. Well, what happened?
So we were just talking because we saw the accidents going by.
Uh-huh.
I've been traveling behind this truck going like about 45, 50.
Uh-huh.
And we were just talking about that, and all of a sudden,
10, 12.
the truck fishtailed. And I steered against it, got it slowed down. So by the time we got off the road, we were just now talking about that too.
Mm-hmm.
It was down to like about 20 miles an hour.
Mm-hmm. And there it went. Yeah. Who was driving? You?
I was driving.
Oh, okay. Do you have your driver's license handy, real quick? I'm going to do a crash report on it and and all that. So it's just going to be go. Genius. Good Lord, there's enough people here. We don't need any more help. Cool. Would you mind filling out a quick written statement for me?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Are you riding back with them? Is that what they said?
Yeah, they were going to take us to somewhere's. I have no idea.
Okay, some kind of hotel of some sort. Right on.
Some place where we can crash tonight.
All right. Well, I'll grab your plate and I'll get a tow started for this bad boy. They're pretty busy right now, so.
I can imagine.
Good Lord. They're gonna keep being busy because
obviously.
people won't slow down, but that's life. So, give me a couple minutes. I'll run back and grab a statement from you, and then
Sounds good, sir.
these wonderful people will take you back in. But I'll close this so you stay nice and warm.
You were awesome.
Ready to go?
No, not yet. I gotta go grab them a statement real quick. Yeah, where's the... I don't know what the highway patrol is. I don't know what that is. What is... Oh, it says... Yeah, no. You are correct. It is. Henry 5449 1028. Ready. Vehicle's on its roof. We're about 45 feet off the roadway on the right side.
I'm 20 miles south of Battle Mountain, but I'll be 26.
Alrighty, so I just have that statement there. Am I lucky enough? Do you have your insurance information on you, or is it somewhere in the truck?
Somewhere in the truck.
Darn. Or can you pull it up on your phone?
I can pull it up. Yeah, it's State Farm.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah, if you don't have the card, if you can pull it up on your phone, that's super helpful.
I can sign into the State Farm app.
Perfect. Yeah, if you can do that, that's fine. There's no need to dig around that car. So give me a couple minutes. I'm going to run around, take pictures. I'll let you work on that. So the top is going to be your information as best you can, mostly just a good way to contact you. Middle section, go ahead and put her information because I have to put her in the report too. And then on the bottom, just as much detail as possible. Let me know what happened, what lane you're in, how fast you were going, what the car did, what you did, all that fun stuff. Once you're done, sign at the bottom. And what do we have for injuries?
Just scratches.
Just some scratches on your arm? Perfect. All right.
That's it.
Fantastic. I'm going to close this back up, let you stay warm for a couple
Thank
more
you so
minutes, and
much.
then I'll be back around to collect that whenever you're done. Thank you.
Henry 4119, Denny.
Oh, darn, you need glasses?
Yeah.
Are they somewhere in the truck?
They probably are. Oh, they were up in the.
Yeah, they're flying somewhere, but I got a spare pair.
Oh, perfect. Wonderful. See?
Unless they.
You got a good one. She's prepared.
Yeah.
She's got extra glasses for you. All right, I'll be back in a couple minutes. 449.
443, just confirming your 1050 at the 226 westbound.
A firm. The one that I'm on now is 80 at the 226 westbound. All right. There's that. And there's their marks. Whew. Yeah.
Henry 6349. Henry 6349. Good. 43, looks like the first slide off up there involving the pickup called back. That somebody's helping her get out of the snow, and she's canceling the tow as well. She's advising NHP can 22. How far? The ocean on that one, 76 to the one that markers. Sure.
Just letting them finish up their statement, then I need their insurance, and then they'll be good to bounce. Thanks for sticking around.
Figure we're gonna be out here a bunch anyways, so
Oh, yeah.
better than you driving into town trying to get shit, driving back out.
Yeah.
Just leave you on the highway.
Well, I'm the only Winnemucca coverage too.
Okay.
So
Because Logan's not going to come back from maternity leave, I don't think.
Logan's still out. Everybody from the other end of the week's on vacation. Jose went out of town, so he's down in Vegas. So it's literally just me and Zach, and Zach got called out at 2:30 in the morning to go up 140.
Well, they've had a lot of wrecks out at that 140.
They shut down.
Yeah, it's shut down from Denio to the border. They said right now it's because of Oregon. I guess we cleaned our end up, but Oregon's still a mess. So I think they're shutting it down all night. But
The other one must have been from Elko then?
Yeah, he's
The other one's not, the other highway patrol.
oh yeah, they both came out of Elko. They were trying to keep me in Winnemucca since I'm the only one for that, and Orvada and McDermott and all
Where
that.
the hell's Aiden?
Oh, he's on his way back. He had to go down to Austin.
That's
Oh,
why
so he went to the Austin road?
I've seen his car there.
How's the road on the other side of the mountain? I've heard it was better.
Oh yeah, yeah. Once you get to about around Button Point, beautiful.
Where's Cameron?
Cameron apparently took the day off, and he's out of town.
Really?
Yeah, he requested the day off like
Huh.
3 weeks ago for his kid's basketball game.
It's like convenience.
Well, that was Aiton's first. He's like, "Where is Cameron? Why is he not answering the phone? Why didn't he work today? He didn't tell me he was taking the day off." And then he's like, "Oh wait, yeah, he did. He requested it 3 weeks ago." He's like, "Well, I guess I'll go down." So yeah, he went to the one down at 20 Lander, and then he never found it. He went all the way down to Austin, down to 50, and was like, "Yep, well."
So we told dispatch that that guy got out and drove off.
Oh, yeah, that never got relayed to us.
Kim,
All we got
Kim
was
was texting me because she couldn't get through on the phone. She sent me text messages.
yeah. All we got was Lander advised that it's not a crash; it's just a slide off,
Yeah.
and they're code 4. But they never said he got out and he were on their way.
So I guess whoever it was,
They sent Kingston. That one, Kingston. Fuck.
I believe
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Kim went too though, and medic, whatever, 3 or whatever is down there. I don't know. She was texting me that she couldn't get through on the phone, and she couldn't get through on the radio. I'll let them know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like I guess whoever was in the car called their friend in Austin.
Perfect.
They live down there. Like, oh, we got out.
Sweet. Well, let me see if they're still working at it. All right. I have his license back there.
Good job.
All
Right.
right.
Insurance is in the truck. We don't have the app.
You don't have the app?
No,
Okay.
and I can't
Is it-
remember password to
Uh,
log in.
It's on the
I
driver's
can't-
side in the visor.
driver's side visor?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can grab it real quick. Because you'll probably need it tonight to call them and let them know what happened. But,
Oh, I got the phone number.
oh, perfect.
I got everything. I just can't log in to prove to you that we have it.
Oh,
But
so you have the policy number and the effective dates?
No, that's
Ah,
what I don't
okay.
have.
I was going to say,
got
they
it.
might need your policy number too, so let me see if I can find it real quick.
Oh,
Driver's side visor?
Yeah, driver's
All right,
side visor.
let me check on that real
in
quick.
the middle console, that was
Okay,
one too.
I'm going to leave this with you for a second
In
while I
the
go.
glove compartment is his cell phone.
Okay.
If you could grab that one.
So glove compartment for cell phone, visor for insurance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe glove compartment too.
Okay, I'll check. What does the phone look like? Just black?
Just flat.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
yeah, just like that.
Perfect.
Black.
All right. Yeah, give me a minute. I'll see if I can find it.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Appreciate that very much.
Hard to tell when it's upside down. Oh, hell. I'm not going to be able to get it. Oh, there's the visor. Yeah.
Did you find it?
Well, he said it's in the visor, so I'm assuming it's in this thing, but this thing's also empty now, so I don't know. I'm also trying not to cut my finger on the broken glass, so it is what it is. I might just have to call him tomorrow. I just hate doing that because I'm going to end up with more crashes tomorrow. And then he said his phone is in that oh, that looks like insurance.
Temporary identification card state form.
Yeah, that looks like what I want. And then he said his phone is somewhere in that glove box too, if you don't mind checking for that since you're there. It might have 2 glove boxes, I don't know. If not, he might be out of luck. Oh. Yeah.
Underneath it now.
Unless that, I don't know if that one's got 2 glove boxes, but yeah, if you can't get to it, you can't get to it. It is what it is. Alright, well. Effective date, May. Oh, that's for a Harley.
I wonder if it's in this one.
Well, that's about the way that goes. There's an insurance card right there, though. That top one. That might be what I'm looking for. Oh, you had to cut the seatbelts and everything, huh? Well, at least you know they were wearing them.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't.
Perfect. That's the insurance. So the phone, I guess they're just going to have to grab tomorrow.
Yeah.
She's got hers, so.
If I could get this one.
Yeah, and like I said, I don't know. That one might have that bottom part there. Might also be a glove box. I think it opens from the top. Well, it would be the bottom now, but maybe not. Some of them do. They have like 2 glove boxes. If not, no biggie. Like I said, he can get it when it's rolled over tomorrow. Oh. Might be.
Yeah, I see the charger. Oh, there's the phone.
Oh.
It'll slide out without breaking the charger. There we go.
Hey-o. Nice. Oh, you're going to be his hero now.
We'll release some fluids.
Okay.
Looks like they were going to Reno.
Oh. That was about as far as they were going to make it anyway, because everything west there is still shut down, I think.
Find it?
Did. The hero here found his phone. All right. Well, I'm less cool, but I found the insurance. Well, he found the insurance and gave it to me. So.
Well, you guys are all cool. You guys really are.
Where did I? There we go. Too many pockets today. Just trying to find which one I put the camera in. Alrighty. There's that, so that's the current one. Absolutely. And I'll take that. And you guys are good to go. It's going to be Durek Towing. They're here in Battle Mountain.
Right.
So you can talk to them tomorrow about getting the rest of the stuff out or whatever. But yeah, I'd call insurance tonight, let them know what happened. Let me go grab you a case number, actually. Sorry.
What do you think?
Let me go grab that case number. I just got to grab their case number.
Henry 6574. Henry 6574. Durek has a tan Chevy pickup, and both eastbound lanes are open. We can close this one 1024 Adam Charles, and I'll be waiting on second 1050 for Durek.
Okay. 092. Alrighty, folks, just make sure you can read my chicken scratch there, and then I wrote who the tow is on the back.
Very much.
Yeah, absolutely.
That is.
NHP 211-202-092.
Okay.
Perfect. Legible? They told me I should have been a doctor, but I don't have the brain for it. I have the handwriting, but not the brain.
I'm sitting here.
So,
I get it.
all right. Well, sorry this happened, folks. It,
Okay.
you know, at least you guys are all okay. So, all right. Well, they'll be around here in a little bit. They're working
Do you
some
think
other.
we can step out and smoke a cigarette? We kind of really feel like we should have.
If you want to, I think these guys are itching to go. If you're able to wait until you get back to town, it's only a couple miles that way. Yeah, I know. I know.
How about that?
Battle Mountain. Well, they have some decent hotels there, so
Good.
there you are.
I
So
think we're gonna need a stiff drink.
probably, I believe it. So all right. Well, best of luck to you folks. Hopefully you can get out of here somehow. So all
I
right.
will figure it out. No worries.
All right.
Thanks so
Uh-huh.
much.
Well, it's quick enough out here.
Yeah, it sure is. The people are still doing like 60 miles an hour blowing by.
Yeah, that's nice polished ice.
Yeah. Yeah, they said.
CDT out here.
Yeah, they're working on it, but it's like what they've told me in the past is once it's ice, it's just kind of screwed.
Yeah.
They can
Well,
only
that's-
do so much. They can sand it. That's about it. But yeah, no, they said they saw all the other ones, so they started driving slower. He said he was only doing about 20, but
He's going faster than 20.
yeah, well, yeah,
Okay.
that be that. So
And Derek's on its way out here?
Mhm.
All right.
I don't know what their time frame is, but I know they're a little busy right now. So
Well, 3 wrecks is 3 wrecks.
yeah, they were saying there's a couple slide offs, like a mile or two up, but other than that, I don't know. There's nothing else on the board now. Perfect. Perfect. And I'm just doing the Form 5 on this one now. Trying to stay ahead of them, that way I don't have to get halfway through one at the office and then get called out to another one and then never finish and rinse and repeat. So I usually just do them while I wait for the tow. Yeah, keeps me ahead. But thanks for coming out. What the fuck? 449, my patrol vehicle just got hit by a semi. Start at 52.
Call 911. To cancel the call, please choose cancel from
Ah, fuck!
press the hang up button.
449, I hit my head pretty hard. Airbags deployed. I don't know about the other driver. I can't get out.
The 911 call is being played.
Fuck!
Will speak first to the 911 operator before opening.
Ah!
Please wait.
Fuck. Oh my god!
4119 on 76
Holy shit!
You driving that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hang out there. I'll be up there with you in just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Can you see if this other door opens? If it does, I'll try and crawl.
Okay. Okay.
Keep trying to call 911. See your head. I hit on that side. It's not bleeding or anything, but
Okay.
I've got a hell of a headache. This arm's a little tingly, but I don't think it's broken.
This is unlock it.
Yeah, I'm trying. Every time I try it.
Sync was unable to
Calls
place an
911.
emergency call.
Oh, that's the problem. Is it's hooked up to that. Holy hell, that scared me.
I'm sure.
All right.
Alright, can you
I'm gonna try and crawl across. Damn, my
Phone
head hurts.
disconnected.
take a deep breath? Stay right here for a couple minutes.
Okay.
Just calm down. We don't need to crawl across anything.
I just really want to get out of this fucking car.
Well, right now you're in the ditch and surrounded by a steel cage, so that's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
How's your back feeling?
Feels good. It doesn't hurt. It's just like I said, mostly right here. My head really hurts.
54 for 943 medical and county should be over to me shortly as well.
449, 10-4, thank you.
Okay. Feeling in your hands?
Yeah, I can still feel everything. Like I said, it's just a little tingly, but
Okay.
that's kind of going away. I think it might have just been adrenaline.
Well, it's a glancing blow,
Yeah.
not anything too direct. Harder than mine last week.
Oh, yeah. I can imagine.
So, alright.
Yeah, like I said, I think more than anything, I'm just shook up right now. Shook up and my head hurts.
Well, take a minute to relax. You clean out this stuff. Hit your Wookie in the back.
Well,
Before you start crawling, let me get it.
you're good. There's St. Michael here at the top, but I don't know where he is. Oh, that's no fun at all.
Yeah, I've never enjoyed it. Do you need your glasses?
I've got them. Those are the pair I broke.
Alright. Is this what you're looking for?
Well, it was exactly what I was looking for. Zach.
That was fast.
Hey. Yeah, I got Art out here with me. We're just waiting for the ambulance to come check me out. I hit my head pretty hard. I think so, yeah. But I'm still sitting in here. Yeah, it's been pretty icy over here at this point.
10 or 40, 83. 52 is 23.
I haven't even
Evening?
yet, to be honest.
You can get in on this side, Tim. That side's still intact.
Yeah.
He knows who he is. He knows where he's at.
Bye, buddy.
Okay.
You guys got anything in the back of those things that's worried about?
Flares.
Something's pissing, that's why I'm just curious.
Fire extinguisher.
Maybe that could be. You want me to scoot up and move my light up?
No, it's actually really, really good right there. No doubt. To say that my wife is a little upset, to put it mildly.
Oh, you guys taking turns? Is that what you're doing? What's that? So you guys taking turns? I would say hi. He went home. Are you doing the accident here?
I'm doing the accident here.
Okay. I got pictures of the semi and stuff for you. All his documents.
Oh, fantastic.
I didn't know if I was doing it since it was your car involved, so. He said he was in the right lane because he didn't know which lane the trooper was in because of the flashing lights, and then at the last minute he tried to get in the left lane, lost control.
Like the story.
Yeah, sideswiped the hell out of his took off his I don't know if it took off the tank. I don't think it took off the tank, but it took off the steps on the passenger side and tore out his front axle on the trailer, or on the back axle on the truck. Sorry.
Okay.
So he hit pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously. He's up there filling out a statement right now.
Beautiful. We'll get this towed out of here, and then yeah, that one.
This thing called OnStar when the trooper car got hit.
Really?
Yeah, didn't call in the first accident. Frank, when I was up in dispatch and I heard the traffic for your trooper getting hit, Frank was taking a call from OnStar for a Ford pickup. I was like, what the hell? I just chalked it up like, okay, maybe it pushed it into it or something. But.
Well, I got another trooper here, so yeah, we're gonna have to get. We're impounding the semi. Because the injury's there. Well,
That hurt him pretty bad? Broken arm or anything?
no, his hands are fine. He's tingling, but as the adrenaline started to wear off, he started to complain of his back hurting.
That's what I was thinking. When he was calling, he's like, I hit my head and my arm hurts pretty bad, and I was like, for now. That's exactly what I said. I said, for now. Wait a minute.
Okay, Sterling.
Yes, sir.
We need Derek to show up and tow this out of here. This has nothing to do with our event tonight.
Okay.
So he was handling this wreck and had pretty much finished this one.
Okay.
Was waiting on Derek to finish yours, and then a semi sideswiped him. I'm gonna do the 1050 report on this.
Okay.
But I need to do two things at the same time. I need to get pictures of this. You took pictures of that?
I got tons of pictures of the semi.
So then
360 and all the damage.
okay. Well, need to get the pictures from them. Form 5 information
There's
from
Scott right there. Howdy, howdy.
We're running out of trooper cars.
Yeah. I know you all want silver ones, but
Oh, actually, I like
I want my pickup back. Lander EMS transported 449 to the Battle Mountain Hospital for evaluation. What?
Okay. What'd she say?
Enter 4083, 10-9.
Something about a call, all call or something? I don't.
Affirmative. Go ahead and send out a command page. Okay. What is crawling up my leg there? Okay.